Guys, we're back and we're trying to test our cat right now. It's not really working. It was a minute ago though. Okay, let me try this. See, she engages with it. And we're just, she's gonna play some soccer right now. And she just tried to take it from me, and she's really playing with it now. So I'm gonna let her play with that for a few minutes. And I'm gonna see if I can get it closer.
Okay.
And right now, wait, watch. Viewers, watch and learn. Pay attention.
I hear Jay's voice, but okay.
See? She's engaging. Yes.
Alright, yeah, so
And she is supposed to get it, but she doesn't look too interested. Pay attention. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. She actually got. Yeah, she will engage if you do it in her face. So this is a trick. You can get these things at Tractor Supply. Yeah, and she won't let go for some reason. And so if you just put it in her face like that, she'll start engaging with it. So if you guys have a cat, you should really try this.
All right. Good show.
So bye guys.